What does it take to be successful? Ever heard of Ray Dalio? He's a man who turned a dream into a reality, a whisper into a roar, a spark into a flame. His name is synonymous with success. Dalio's story isn't just a rags-to-riches tale. It's a journey of perseverance, of conviction, of relentless pursuit of a vision. It's a story that embodies the essence of entrepreneurship, the spirit of innovation, and the power of determination. This is the journey of Ray Dalio, a man who carved his own path to success. Born in 1949, Ray Dalio hailed from an ordinary middle-class family in New York. His father, a jazz musician, and his mother, a homemaker, instilled in him the values of hard work, determination, and the importance of following one's passion. For Ray, that passion was ignited at the tender age of 12 when he bought his first stock. Just imagine, a 12-year-old Ray, his eyes wide with curiosity and excitement, purchasing shares in Northeast Airlines for a mere few dollars. This wasn't just a kid spending his pocket money. It was the first spark of a lifelong fascination with investing and the stock market. Ray's passion for finance only grew as he got older. He attended Long Island University, where he earned a bachelor's degree in finance. His thirst for knowledge didn't end there. Ray went on to acquire an MBA from Harvard Business School, further cementing his love for the world of investment and finance. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Ray faced his fair share of obstacles and setbacks. He learned the hard way that success doesn't come easy, but he also learned that every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and come back stronger. Little did young Ray know, his passion for the stock market was the first stepping stone towards a future empire. In 1975, from his two-bedroom apartment, Dalio started Bridgewater Associates. This was a pivotal moment in financial history, marking the birth of what would become the world's largest hedge fund. After spending time on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange and working for other investment firms, Ray Dalio decided it was time to venture out on his own. He had a vision: to create a unique investment firm that would challenge conventional wisdom and redefine success in the financial world. However, the early days of Bridgewater were anything but glamorous. Dalio was faced with the daunting task of building a company from scratch. His apartment served as the company's first office, with the dining room table doubling as a meeting space. He was the firm's only employee at the start, handling everything from investment analysis to client meetings. Dalio faced a myriad of challenges. The financial markets were volatile and unpredictable. There were long nights of rigorous analysis, and the constant threat of failure loomed overhead. Bridgewater was also operating in an industry that was highly competitive and notoriously difficult to break into. There were times when Dalio questioned whether he had made the right decision. But Dalio was not deterred. He was driven by his passion for investing and his desire to do things differently. He believed in his principles, and he was determined to build a company that reflected them. He was willing to take risks, to learn from his mistakes, and to continually adapt and evolve. Dalio's persistence began to pay off. Bridgewater started to gain recognition for its innovative approach to investing. The company attracted high-profile clients and managed to navigate the turbulent financial markets successfully. The firm's reputation grew, and so did its assets under management. Despite the challenges, Dalio persisted, and Bridgewater Associates began to gain traction. This was the start of a journey that would see Dalio and his firm redefine what success looks like in the world of finance. And all of this started from a humble two-bedroom apartment in 1975. By 1982, Bridgewater Associates had established itself as a leading investment firm. But it was not an overnight success. It was the result of years of hard work, innovative thinking, and a unique approach to investing that set Bridgewater apart from the rest. Ray Dalio, the man at the helm, had a vision. He saw a world where financial markets were not mysterious and unpredictable, but rather a complex system that could be understood and navigated. He believed that by applying a set of principles and strategies, he could achieve consistent success. One of the key strategies Dalio employed was diversification. But not just any diversification. Dalio advocated for risk parity, a strategy that balances the risk of different asset classes rather than their dollar amounts. This approach was revolutionary, and it allowed Bridgewater to weather financial storms that sank other investment firms. Another cornerstone of Dalio's strategy was his commitment to transparency and open-mindedness. He created a unique culture within Bridgewater, where everyone was encouraged to speak their minds, challenge ideas, and constantly seek improvement. This culture of radical transparency became a defining characteristic of Bridgewater, and it played a crucial role in their success. Bridgewater's achievements under Dalio's leadership are nothing short of remarkable. In the mid-'80s, the firm predicted and profited from the global debt crisis. In the late 90s, they foresaw the Asian financial crisis and navigated it successfully. And in the midst of the 2008 financial crisis, while other firms were suffering heavy losses, Bridgewater was one of the few that turned a profit. These milestones are a testament to Dalio's foresight, his unique approach to investing, and his relentless pursuit of excellence. They demonstrate the power of his principles and strategies, and they serve as a blueprint for success in the world of finance. Bridgewater Associates, under Dalio's leadership, became the world's largest hedge fund. But it's not the size of the fund that defines their success. It's the principles they stand for, the culture they've created, and the remarkable results they've achieved. That is the true measure of Bridgewater's rise. Scene script. Success didn't come overnight for Dalio. He had a set of principles that guided him. This man, who started from humble beginnings and built a behemoth of a hedge fund, didn't reach the pinnacle of success by sheer luck. He had a secret weapon, his principles. But these weren't any ordinary principles. They were unique, thought-provoking, and at times, even controversial. First and foremost, Dalio believed in radical transparency. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is radical transparency? Well, it's quite simple, yet incredibly profound. It is the notion that everything should be out in the open, that there should be no hidden agendas or secrets. At Bridgewater Associates, this meant that employees were encouraged to speak their minds, to question decisions, to challenge the status quo. It was a culture where hiding mistakes was frowned upon, but acknowledging and learning from them was celebrated. Then there was the concept of idea meritocracy. This principle was at the heart of everything at Bridgewater. It was a belief that the best ideas should win, regardless of who they come from. It didn't matter if you were a fresh graduate or a seasoned executive. If you had a great idea, it was given the attention it deserved. This created an environment where innovation thrived and mediocrity had no place. But Dalio's principles were not just about creating a successful business. They were about cultivating a mindset that embraced reality, sought truth, and constantly strived for improvement. It was about creating meaningful work and meaningful relationships through radical truth and radical transparency. It was about understanding that decision-making isn't a matter of opinion, but a process that involves clear thinking, open-mindedness, and assertiveness. These principles were not just business strategies, but a way of life for Dalio. They were his roadmap to success, his compass in the stormy seas of the financial world. And they can be ours too, if we are brave enough to embrace them. Today, Ray Dalio stands as a testament to perseverance, vision, and unconventional thinking. A man who started from the ground up, he's now a titan in the world of finance, having built Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest and most successful hedge funds. Dalio's journey is a testament to the power of dreams and determination. He began as an ordinary boy from a middle-class background, but he dared to dream big. He learned the ropes of the investment world, weathered storms, and emerged stronger than ever. Today, his firm manages approximately $160 billion in global investments. But his impact goes beyond numbers. Dalio has transformed the financial landscape with his unique approach to investing and risk management. He's known for his radical transparency, a concept he implemented at Bridgewater, which encourages open dialogue and challenges traditional hierarchies. This has not only revolutionized his company, but also inspired businesses worldwide to rethink their strategies and cultures. Yet Dalio's legacy is not confined to Wall Street. He's a philanthropist at heart, having pledged to give away more than half of his wealth through the Giving Pledge. Through his foundation, Dalio Philanthropies, he has donated millions to education, ocean exploration, and mental health research, among other causes. And then there's his book, Principles. In it, Dalio shares the unconventional principles that he believes led to his success. The book, a New York Times bestseller, has become a must-read for entrepreneurs and leaders, offering insights into Dalio's philosophy on life and work. Ray Dalio's journey is an inspiration, a testament to what a clear vision and unwavering determination can achieve. His principles, a guide to success. As we delve into his legacy, we find a man who, through his relentless pursuit of his dreams, has not only achieved extraordinary success, but also contributed significantly to the world. His story serves as a reminder that with the right principles and the courage to follow them, anyone can achieve greatness.